Hi, my name is Chesit Thayapawat. I'm from Thailand. I would like to share about how to update GUI from the different threads. Normally, when you develop the GUI application, okay, and in your application may have some children or child thread. Okay, you create a different thread that is not the main thread, and you need to update some function. You need to call some function. For example, update the GUI like this. Okay, but you got the error. You got the error like you cannot call this function from the different text. Okay, in this case you have to watch this video. In this video I will teach you how to write a code to update the GUI from the different thread properly. Okay, before I will explain how the code works, I will show you my environment first. This is my Raspberry Pi and connecting to the sensor. Okay, and this is the infrared sensor. When I pass something to my sensor, and you will see that the counter is count. Okay, in this case I will send the notification. Like in Thailand it's called line notification. Just show that I can send a message when I pass. And if this code is called, okay, if this code is coded, it's not in the main thread, you get the error. Okay, I will show you what is the error. If you see this error like me, okay, it means that you have to do something like me to fix this error. In this case I already have the project demo 10, and this code, this function, it must be called in the main thread. Okay, in this case I will try to move outside this function. Okay, to see you to make you see the error. Okay, and I will show you now. Let me close this. I'm using Qt. Okay, and actually it's not about the Qt. If you develop in the iOS or Android or anything that is about the GUI, you may have faced this kind of problem. Okay, I will pass. Okay, and now you will see something error, and in my site right now there is no notification. My application did not send any notification. Okay, normally it will send, but when I move it, when I call this function, okay, outside this block, okay, it will not work, and you will see this error. This error may not be exactly like this. Okay, in your case it will have something a little bit different, but you can see the thread, see the difference. In this case, if you error that cannot create a children for the parent is not in a different thread. Okay, that is in the different thread. It means that you can call something. Okay, you can call something, or you can create something in the different threads. In this case, it means that you cannot call the function, call some function from the place that you place your code, this line. To fix this, you have to make sure the function call, it must be called under the main thread. Okay. Fortunately, I see this answer in the Stack Overflow. Let me give the credit to this post. Okay. He showed me how to fix this by using the functional and lambda syntax, create a dispatch to main thread, and I will show you how to use this code to fix this problem. In this case, I will create, okay, the new project. I already created it, and let's imagine that we have the function update fake GUI. Okay, and I will update at the constructor, and imagine that when you call this, you get the error like that before. Okay, you cannot create the different children thread in different thread something. Okay, in this case you have to fix this by copy this code dispatch to main thread to your project. Okay, all source code I will post under this YouTube description. I will post it in my YouTube description. I will upload all source code to my GitHub. Okay, so don't worry about the source code. First of all, you have to copy this, okay, because you are gonna use the lambda syntax. And I press this, and in this case I will use the timer technique, so I have to include the Q timer, and then I have to implement the dispatcher. It's like this. Actually I don't know about it much, but I just know that what it's gonna do. What's gonna do is we'll receive the callback function. Okay, so what's the callback function? Is a code that you want to call properly. Okay, it's a code that you want to call in the main thread. Okay, this is whatever represent that. In this case it used Q timer, but don't worry about the delay. It's no delay in human sense. Okay, it just use Q timer to move your task to run in main thread. So in this case, if you got the error when you call this line, what you have to do, you just do something like this. I will copy this code. Okay, I will copy this code to this. You can do like me. Okay, and just remember that whenever you want to update the GUI, okay, but only when you face the error like this. Okay, if you not face the error, you don't need to do like this. Okay, you don't need to do like this. You can put your code, okay, under this lambda code. Okay, what's the value? Value is a variable that you have to pass to this function. In this case, you will see this is error because you have to pass this into this array. Any argument, any parameter that you want to use in this block, you have to pass in this array. But in case that you no need, you don't have need any argument, you can leave it as empty array and do something like this. But however, in this case I have to use this, so I have to pass this variable into this array. This is because it needs to snap the value or the log the value of this object while it's try to update the user interface. Just this, okay, and run. I will switch to this project by right click. Okay, actually, as you know, there will no any error. Okay, there will no any error in this project previously, but just imagine that when you call this function, it will error. So if the error is about the thread, okay, you can try like this to cover your code, and I promise that the error is gone. Okay, thanks for watching, and okay, hope you will click like and subscribe. Bye bye.